fight back.
Just your final thoughts, final, maybe, what are you feeling right now about the rematch between Nonito Donaire Jr. and Naoya Inoue? Nakita na natin ang kanilang naging preparation. I know we both predicted Naoya Inoue to win the rematch. I think he is the rightful favorite to win that rematch. But your final thoughts for this fight, attorney?
Well, una-una saludo tayo dito kay Nonito Donaire Jr. At age 39, he's a world champion. And he could have avoided this fight. He could have earned money by fighting lesser opponents. And yet he's going for the monster Naoya Inoue. It's going to be a tough fight. Underdog siya. But like I said, magandang kumpiyansa ni Donaire going into this fight kumpara dun sa unang laban kung saan parang topsy-turvy na ang karir niya. Now he's coming in, enjoying his second win. So magandang senyales ito. But I'd like to see some changes sa style ni Donaire. I want to see more jabs kasi the first time out, naghihintay siyang pumasok si Inoue, tinatimingan niya ang pagpasok, tinatamaan siya, nauunahan siya. So I'd like to see more jabs, I'd like to see more feints, pero sabi nga natin, even though he's the underdog, yung left hook ni Donaire, which put the pain on Inoue the first time they met, palagay ko, that keeps him a threat dito sa labang ito. But no question about it, he is the huge underdog sa labang ito. But he pulls it off, my God. At the Filipino Flash, wow, if he pulls it off.
Ako lang, attorney, two things lang. My final thoughts dito. Wala akong ganong babaguhin sa mga nasabi ko na sa naging prediction ko na. Pero two things dito na kailangan po tandaan ng mga tao when you're trying to read this fight and if you're going to make a prediction for this fight. One, tingnan natin, sino ba yung pinakamagaling matuto? Sino ba yung may mas natutunan dun sa first fight at madadala niya sa second fight? Okay? Because the smarter fighter, the wiser fighter is, would probably be able to adjust and make, whatever is needed, apply whatever is needed sa magiging game plan nila at i-apply nila yun sa kanilang rematch, which would, of course, be key into getting that win, that fight night in Japan. Pangalawa, guys, one thing to look out for is yung gloves. Okay? Remember, nung first fight nila, Nonito Donaire Jr. was forced to use winning gloves. Okay, now he is allowed to wear his gloves of choice. So, alam mo, isipin nyo guys, kung hindi po kayo practitioner at hindi, kung bago-bago po kayo sa sport na to, isipin nyo, ano naman? Kasi akala nyo, ganun lang, brand lang. Pero meron po talagang pinaparisan niyang kamay at suntok na yan.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, I think that's going to be a huge factor.
Tama.
Nonito Donaire using his choice of gloves, and if he can land early with that big left hook using his signature gloves, may paglalagyan po si Naoya Inoue. And I think Naoya Inoue is the favorite here in this fight. Rightfully so. Sabi ko nga many times before in the past, wala akong pipiliin sa bantamweight na makakatalo kay Inoue. But I really hope that Nonito Donaire Jr. pulls the upset. Okay?